Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I first want to show you what the nails were looking like before we did the soak off. They lasted the entire time. There was no lifting. All the stones stayed on. So the technique I used in that video definitely works. I had some people that were concerned because I used builder gel to fill her in. Sorry, not builder gel, base coat gel to fill her in, and they said that it wasn't a sound nail, structurally sound nail, but it clearly is. It lasted. So try it before you say anything negative on my video. Por favor, please, I beg of you, because in the end, I'm gonna win. I'm just kidding. I'm not that petty. But yeah, guys, so it was just fine. So we soaked off. We wanted to do a fresh set because y'all, them nails have been on forever. And she had a greenie on some fingers. So I decided to try the Apres method on her. So I already, like I said, soaked her off. We took off all the products. I prepped her natural nails, and you just saw me dehydrate and prime. So these are the EC Basket full cover ballerina coffin nails, and these are I did etch the inside of these, and I'm using my base coat gel to adhere them. So I'm trying to make sure that there is absolutely no like air bubbles or anything, because I don't want the same thing to happen again. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and curing for 30 seconds while I hold down each finger with my lamp. And then after every finger gets a nice strong enough cure, like the 30-second cure just holds it on. But you definitely want to go back for a second pass and cure it all the way. So when I let her stick her hand in, I leave it in for the entire 90 seconds on the full heat mode. This lamp is so good, but unfortunately it is not for sale anymore. I got this lamp super long time ago on enocouture.com. They have different models and stuff out now, but this lamp gets hella hot, you guys. Like, it's so good. I love it. So this is how the nails are looking, and we're just gonna go straight into the design, which I love. So I'm using a nude gel polish from Banggood. Do not sleep on Banggood gel polishes, you guys. These are so pigmented, creamy, and they just go. They blend with every skin tone. I love them so freaking much. They're so good for Frenches too. I don't know why, what it is about these, but these are just so good for nail beds. Like, I have some nudes that are really good, but these like beat every single brand. I have Presto, I have Madame Glam, and some other brands, but this is just so pigmented. It's not streaky. 2 coats and you're good to go. Like, you can't ask for anything better. If you need to clean up the sides, go ahead and use acetone. Sometimes when I'm using alcohol to clean up, it doesn't get it all the way, but acetone gets it right away without any fuss. So a small brush and acetone just to do the cleanup. When you're doing Apres nails, you want to take the time to clean up because it just looks neater. So this is where I'm doing the second coat, and I'm just doing a nice thin layer.